In this video, I want to show you how to change layer name in SAGA GIS. To do that, let's go to SAGA GIS. In SAGA GIS, I have this data called points. Let me load it to the data view interface. So to do that, just double click. So once I double click, this is the point data I have. If for any reason I want to change this name from point to any other name, how do I change it? To do that is quite simple. The first thing is to open the layer properties window. Just highlight it, come to Windows and check show object properties window. So once you do that, it will display the properties window of the layer. Then to change this name of the layer, come to description. You can see the name of the layer, which is point. If for any reason you want to change it, you can see the description of everything here. But if for any reason you want to change it, come to settings, and here you will see the name, which is point. So let's assume we want to change this point to town. So what to do is to come here and highlight it and write the name, for instance towns. So once I've done that, I will click on save. So you can see that it has been changed. Then I will click on apply. If I click on apply, the name will change here. So click on apply. You can see that it has changed. So this is how to change the name of any layer in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.